Today we are making Filipino barbecue. So we are traveling back east and we are now in Wisconsin in my sister's place in Brookfield, Wisconsin to be exact. And we are doing some Filipino barbecue. We haven't had a kitchen in quite some time, well, an indoor kitchen in quite some time. So this week I'm doing a lot of Filipino food. What we're gonna do is one of the really popular dishes in the Filipino culture is barbecue. So it is pork on a stick with a Filipino barbecue sauce. So this is an easy recipe to prepare ahead of time before going on an outing outdoors. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna marinate the pork, and then we're gonna put it on a stick. Then we're gonna come back out here and put it in the barbecue grill and let it cook on the barbecue. So this is gonna be fun. Let's go. Hours. We let the pork marinate in the Filipino barbecue sauce overnight. We took it out of the fridge. I had my sister help me put it on sticks. So now we have the barbecue grill lit up and ready to go. Got it warm. We're gonna put it in the barbecue. All right, you guys, this is really, really yummy. Try this at home. Try it on your next trip. You could easily prep these before you leave, but then when you get out to the trail, just throw them on the grill and they are yummy. So guys, thank you for hanging out with me as usual. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to follow me on social media, you can find me on Facebook, Basecamp Brooklyn, or on Instagram as well, Basecamp Brooklyn. So bye.